Remember late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Flicking up the shit, we about to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we about to set the mood in the cup, rolling up, smoking something groovy. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Got somebody that you loving well, oh well. Faking innocence and I won't tell. Little bit of ghetto and a little bit of bougie, and afraid to get this in a motel. Love calling my name, love playing my games. You ain't got no shame, but am I part the plan? I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Girl, you cold-hearted. Revelations that I had, girl, you so scarlet. I be tucking down on your garments while your man back at home rolling red carpets. But I'ma send it too. Think about the pressure I'ma get to you. Ain't no lies told with me in the new. Leave me one more like a motherfucking interlude. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying.
There we go. There we go, sorted. Just mod, just see if you can hear on YouTube there. And then volume as well. Gee whiz, me and a PC, bro. Okay, we're ready. Zoom, YouTube, what's up? What's up? Finally. Thanks to Smoke folks for the assistance there. Okay, YouTube, what's up? I'm here, I've been here, we've just been having some technical difficulties. Just want to make sure everything is 100%. Stream music on. Well, just let me know what is playing, because why can't I hear it? Why did all my things change, man? Volume low. Okay, I'll just sorting. Mic will take. Mic a bit soft, really? It's just on full blast on my side. But now let me know. Yo, testing. There we go. And then better. You guys can say, just let me know, George. Right. Sorry guys, I'll be with you in a second. Let me just get these things sorted out here. But I hope everybody has had a good weekend. Bitcoin halving came on Saturday. Nothing that I expected. I thought it was gonna be something wild, something crazy, but nothing out of the ordinary. But I trust that everybody's had a good weekend. Mod, just let me know how's the sound. Is there music playing? What is playing? Is it one of the? Wait, I can do this. Stream playlist. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Let me actually just change it to this. 5 out of 5, 100%. Piano is playing. Elevator. Okay, that's chill. Yeah, there's just I'm just not getting feedback on the music on my end, so I'm not too sure how it's sounding. But mods, it's in your hands, so trust you on that. Just get that source up as well. Sorry guys, today just sorting these things out on the side. We my trusty computer technician and I updated all drivers last night, and yeah. I think we made a little bit of a boo-boo on our side, so I'm just sorting that out because I have to. Well, I didn't really realize it would affect the stream that much, but hopefully the sound quality is better if that's at least one of those things. Okay. Charts ready, whole system set. I still can't hear the feedback music, boys, so Marge, just let me know if peace to life, bro. What the fuck? Just let me know, and we can take it from there. But Marge, just let me know how that sound quality is. I'm not hearing feedback on my end. But yeah, guys, hope you had a good weekend. Let's get straight to it. Let's get straight to these charts. Mark, Jordan, Charles, Two Smoke, Dazzy, Chad, Diego, Trail Riding Days, Sam, Ashton, Mastery Manifest, Caitlin. Morning guys, what's up? What's happening? Hope you guys are doing good. Sorry I didn't check all your messages this morning. And then George, I saw your analysis to the group as well. 100% on that. I will actually pop it on stream. This morning was just a bit mull. Yeah, boys, we're ready. So off stream on Friday, we had an awesome day with the MFX members. We did some what is Friday, boys? It was GJ longs. Was it GJ longs? I think it was GJ longs. Yeah, GJ longs for London. We got 20 pips on that. We caught that live with the MFX members on Friday. For those that signed up for the flash sale that happened on Friday, well done. And once again, welcome to MFX. Yeah, so we got 20 pips on Friday. That was awesome. And then we obviously had our accountability session. So that was really cool. Friday was really good. And then obviously fresh week, final week of April. Let's see how things are going. Currently for the month of April, we're sitting at 15 wins, 0 losses, 100% win rate for the month. Let's see how this week goes. And yeah, for those that have been taking trades with me, most importantly, I hope that you have learned. That is the most important thing. You know, it'd be really nice if I could get some sound feedback. Simmer, what am I doing wrong? Well, I know it was 22. It pushed over. I think it pushed further in that actually, but I secured at 20. And boys, I don't know if you saw that subs. I think we're like 50 away from we are your feedback. It's good, bro, but you know, boring is not hearing anything in my ears. I think we're like 50 away from 500, and you guys know at 500 we are doing a big giveaway, so do stay tuned for that. It's going to be litty. What I am giving away is pretty nuts. So wow, I don't want to hear myself. I want to hear the music, bro. I don't want to hear myself. I want to hear the music. Oh, if April, bro, I'm quite surprised. Dude. I'm quite surprised. I'm not even gonna lie. I expected it by like end of May, around June. Yeah, that's when I thought we would tap into the 500, but to get it earlier, boys, shot for that. Where are we now? I think we're like at 449. Yeah, so boys, if you are new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the stream. We do this every day, Monday to Thursday. And with that being said, guys, let's get into the charts. Let's see what you're working with this week. I think first and foremost, I actually want to work with GJ first, and then from GJ I will go to gold, and then from there we'll kick it. Okay, let me just clear out these charts. This was Friday's longs that we caught to the MFX guys. On Friday, this was very nice actually. Yeah, so it actually pushed to about 29 pips before retracing. For me, I got the 20 pip TP2. We were anticipating price to push further. It pushed about 30 pips, just shy of hitting that 34, 33 pip TP zone. But still played out beautifully. I mean, we got over TP2, so that played out very nice on Friday. So this is what we caught live with the MFX members on Friday. And for those that are new to the stream, Fridays is exclusively for MFX members only. So that's what I thought I need to mention on stream over here, so you can see that we continued our win streak. But yeah, boys, any questions as I do go on through my analysis, do let me know, and I'll be sure to answer that for you. Straight into GJ, looking at price on that weekly, testing the level of 192,500, still struggling to surpass that zone, guys. That is showing me that we are clearly in a daily and weekly consolidation area. Like this. Let me just show you. So we got highs over there, lows over there. This is pretty much your weekly area right there, guys. Guys, whoever's text me, I'll get back to you after stream. Sounds better? Sounds better? Okay, that's good. Look, the sound's better. I'll make the no sound sacrifice on my end for the stream. But as long as the sound is better, then that's good. So yeah, boys, looking at that range right now, we've been stuck in 1, 2, 3, over 5 weeks of weekly consolidation. GJ has just been trading in this same price range, with price not fulfilling the breach of the highs nor the breach of the lows. So there isn't much to read off of the weekly. Just note that there seems to be no bottom wick on this current candle. Let's just have a look at that. So no bottom wick on that current candle. That is something to note. Market also opened up straight bullish. So one thing I do want to note is that where we are trading once again right now is at a previous daily resistance area. So there's my liquidity right there. This is where price is testing that level again. So what I'm going to anticipate already is that price can reject these areas in anticipation that we can come up to the highs after rejecting the level of 191,300, around that area. That is something that is more than likely going to happen. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and mark in the current daily low as well, the current daily high. And then if price does penetrate either of those levels, we do anticipate... Yo, where is my English this morning? We do anticipate price obviously breaking and start creating more volume. So that's my current daily high. This is my current daily low. As I go to the lower time frame, there is areas that I just want you guys to note of. And this will be it now. So as I now go to... Why is this not purple? Yeah, as price now goes to the level of this 4-hour liquidity area. So if you see on the 4-hour, this was pretty much your previous level of 4-hour liquidity over there. This is pretty much where we got our buys from on Friday. And then here you have your liquidity highs on that 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, this is the range that you've been playing with, was that area there. That's pretty much the range that we traded on Friday. Okay, now price went ahead and broke out of that level, grabbing lows, pulling back to that resistance area for price to possibly come back down. So that is something that I want to note right there, is even though on the daily we've came and tested the area where we can possibly bounce off of, in actual fact on the 4-hour, it's kind of showing me a different thing. Yes, the daily is bouncing off of that liquidity area. However, the 4-hour is retesting the area that it has broken out of, now retesting to possibly drive further down to current daily lows and possibly further at low. And just remember, on that weekly we don't have a bottom wick, so this is something that I'm going to take into consideration as I do my analysis now throughout the session, because now I'm actually trading below this area with price, with me pretty much anticipating that price can tap into that, and then if it does break the current daily low, I'll anticipate price to come and fill that 4-hour wick. That is going to be the idea there. So just to jot back to that daily, even though I am at this daily liquidity zone that I have been rejecting off of, where my daily has driven to was a 4-hour liquidity zone where it is now rejecting off of, and the idea with that would then be that as I reject off of this 4-hour liquidity zone, it's then going to fulfill the weekly / daily range, which is this. So that's that. And essentially it just boils down to supply and demand, right? If price is rejecting all the area of demand, it's essentially going to come back down to my if price rejecting all the areas of supply, is going to come down to my demand area. So that is something that I do want to note when looking at GJ today, as it now drives away from that 4-hour area, the flip of that current daily low. I will anticipate price to drive down to 190. I don't know why I'm slipping my tongue today. What did I drink in my sleep? Who knows? So right now I am going to just mark out the 4-hour liquidity zones. That is that level, so obviously we can more than likely get a trade in that, but for me personally, I feel like I want to see the retest, which is doing the rejection, and then price to come back down. Probably if I was on the charts earlier in the stream, I was on the charts early this morning already, but I'm saying like in the stream I would have taken a trade from that current daily highs as what? Can anybody guess what trade I would have done from my current daily high as the price rejects it? Can anybody guess? MFX members, you're included as well. But I feel like for those that watch my YouTubes every day, you should, even though you maybe haven't taken the MFX course, we do the same thing every day. It's going to be one of the 4 types of entries that I use. What do you guys think that would be? Type 3, yeah, 100%. So I could have pulled a type 3 over here already. there. Stops above there for 30, and your ideal would then be to run it right down. You would be sitting, you would have been sitting now in about 8 pips profit, in anticipation that price can come down. You know what, it's actually not over yet. I might actually still get a position there on top. But this is going to be my zones for now. On GJ, I only really see the sells. The buys for me is only going to come above 191.810. So this is going to be my area of aggressive buys. Sick. What's it take? This is going to be aggressive shorts. As you can see, I am already starting to have interest in type 3s. And then this will be my, yeah, it will be my safer sell area, because at that point I'm below that daily liquidity. Okay. So let me just make sure I have everything in check quickly. It's my daily pullback area, still sitting in that same range. Bullish. 4 hour. Still bullish, same range. And your 30. Your 30 is bearish now, so go to 3v1. So you go to 3v1. Once again, just like the whole of last week, I have to treat it as a 2v2 just because we are stuck in ranges. So even though this is bearish, I still see it at the moment as a 2v2 just because of the range that we're in. And this is how I'm going to play this position that I see on a type 3 sort of perspective right now, is having my 30-minute liquidity zone right there. Price is now trading below it. We're going to wait for London open in the next 5 minutes. Price to tap in and break those lows. Yes, there is a liquidity zone there, but with anticipation that the price can reject off that 4 hourly, as well as come from my supply zone on my daily to come break current daily low and fulfill these liquidity areas on the low. I'm going to anticipate that the volume that we should be seeing will penetrate through that levels to come to these lows. So all I want to see right now on this current 30-minute candle is price closing below the area like that. Okay, once it closes below the area, I'm going to wait for the next candlestick to pretty much wick up, and then I can get executions after that. So we want to see price close something like this, right? Then the next candle to pop in, grab liquidity, flip, and start to drive for the continuation to look like that, guys. Okay, that's what I want to see on GJ at the minute. Now, because this is a 2 candlestick pullback, I need to see this current 30-minute close below the level. The impulse is gone already, so I can't take the impulse. It's now open candle. I can't execute on that. I need to wait for price to now close below the level of 191.476. Once it does that, like I explained, you want to see the tap back and you want to see the drive, right? I marked it out how I want to see it in the candlesticks. For me, it would be nice to see the candle close somewhere around that level, just so that when the next candle opens, right, I then have a resistance level that I can use as an area of stop loss, because essentially where I want to enter is going to be like this. Okay, I'm obviously going to have a 30 pip stop, right? But you then have this possible resistance and that micro resistance as areas of reference to say that, look, we form these areas of resistance. Price can then possibly continue further down with anticipation that our targets will be hit of 30 pips. Look, you're obviously going to have an overall target of 138, but that's not where I'll be holding until. So my target is going to be TP1 is going to be 10 and my TP2 is going to be 30, probably 20 to be very honest with you. So that's what I'm currently looking at on GJ, is GJ shorts at the moment. If I can get the 30-minute close below the level in the next 3 minutes, this is going to be the trade that I'm taking. There is a possibility that I can do it on the candlestick flip, but for that I require a resistance to form first on that 5-minute. Once that happens, then I can take position. But to be honest with you, I think I prefer the break of the lows to then execute on the position. So that's how I'll be tackling GJ this morning. Is I'll be looking for some aggressive shorts right now in the next 2 minutes, and if I can get that, then I have a position. If not, we're going to sit on our hands and wait. And that's my analysis on gold. Drop a W in the chat if you understand. And obviously a question, if you don't, MFX members in the Zoom, do you guys understand my analysis on GJ? I'll get to gold in a second, boys. I just want to see this closure in the next 2 minutes. What did I miss? In the other same zones, waiting for 30-minute close in topic and break of the previous 30. You are spot on. You are spot on, my brother. Puma gang, what's up, my G? Hope you're doing good. George, let me just check the analysis of yours quickly, just so we see that we have the same zones. Wait, is this on gold? Oh, this is gold. Oh no. YouTube, check this out. This is what time did you send this analysis? What's that? Quarter past 8. Before I even do my analysis, my members on point, boys. This is what I love to see. Jordan, well done. This is spot on. Spot on. Well done, my G. It's looking good. It's looking good. Gold has moved 400 pips since open this morning. Madness. Shoo. Mad. Okay. Let's have a glance at gold quickly, but I'll do the proper analysis once we are. What is there something to analyze? It seems like it's dead already, like it's gone. I got you 100%. Okay, I'll come. Obviously it's moved already actually, so I'll come and break that down for you guys in a second. Let's just wait here for possible closure on GJ. Might get an early position here, boys, so let's wait. Might get an early trade. I need to see price close below this level, just like I said. And once I get that, look, when I take the position, as with any other trade, this can be the reason why I can lose the trade today. That can be the reason. Okay, is that gonna like make me not take the trade? No, it's not gonna. Okay, now closed price below. Price is now retesting that liquidity area. One of two things right now. It's either going to be the aggressive execution, so my entry is going to be there, or it's going to be the conservative execution below the previous 30-minute candle. And to be dead honest with you, I'm probably going to be aggressive today. Yeah, boys, I will pull the aggressive execution today. The flip of this lows, price should drive. So this is going to be it for me, boys. This is going to be my trade for the day. If you don't understand anything, you can just drop a comment and I will comment. But this is what I'm looking at for today. TP1, I would like to be there. Can it be? Yes, it is. Perfecto. Perfect. So this is going to be my TP1. Whatever price does now, I'm not phased. I'm not in the position. But if it breaks that low, I want to take it. Okay. There's my TP1. 20 pips. 20 pips? What is this? 20 pips will be TP2. Perfect alignment to that zone there. I love it. And then my final TP will be a candle, daily low. So this is the idea there, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and place some sell stops now. 19143 So I got sell stops now. They are active. Sell stops is now active. 191,440. That is my sell stops that I am pending on right now. Yeah, so my trade today is going to be slightly more aggressive because I'm doing it as it breaks these lows in anticipation that it will obviously break the previous 30-minute low and then continue driving further down. Whatever happens until I'm in, I couldn't be phased. It can come back and I'll still leave my sell stops there. However, if this 30-minute does close back in the range, I'll remove it. But while this 30-minute is open, preferably not to break the previous 30 high, I will still take these shorts, okay? And that is my plan for this morning. Hope you guys understand that. It's relatively straightforward, guys. It's the same style every day. Just a different idea as to how we execute it, right? Goldilocks. Let me just put a alert on GJ just in case I do get triggered in. Okay, I might as well wait, right? It's so close. See, so if this for me, if this flips, this is the grab of liquidity that we want. We have that bullish closure, which is awesome. So if you were going to be conservative, obviously the best entry is there. Below it, I am just being a bit more aggressive today, which can obviously jeopardize the position, but I'm fine with that. What I'm seeing makes a lot of sense, and that's me in the position right now. I just got pulled in. So yeah, fish on the line, boys. Let's see what happens. This is the aggressive approach, but my understanding is that as it flips that low after grabbing all that liquidity to the upside, price should drive further down, right? So I am currently in this position right now. Let's see what she does. Stops are up here for 30 pips, 1-on-1 740. TP1 is down here for 10 pips, 1-on-1 340. That's 10 pips. And then this will be TP2 242. Okay, so this is my trade for the morning. Let's see what happens. I have taken the more aggressive entry just because I feel like as we've now closed below that area, this is the price grabbing liquidity for price to break its low and continue further down. Okay, structure, I love the stop loss area. Me too. That's why I also felt like if I take the more aggressive trade, I'm gonna get a better stop loss. So it just made a lot of sense. That was actually like another reason for me to execute. So now I know if I lose the position, I've really lost. Like it's broken those highs, more than likely price is going to go up, and that's okay. But until then, we let the market do what it needs to do. 4 hour makes a lot of sense. Grabbing that liquidity, breaking its own low for price to continue further down. That is what I want to see. On the hourly as well, we've closed below. More than likely we need TP, but obviously we can't control the markets. We just have to do what we're supposed to do every single day, and that's pull up and apply our strategy, apply our risk management, and let the trade rock, right? But everything makes sense to me. So yeah, any questions, guys, you can let me know. Yeah, man. MFX members in the Zoom, are we good? Do you guys understand why I've taken this position? That was just a 5-minute resistance that was formed there. That is very nice to see. That is really very nice to see. Yeah, I don't see why we shouldn't win this trade. Like, this should be another winner. You get it? Perfect, Uncle Robs. Yeah, let's see what's in store today. Oh, you know what? It would be so nice to hear music. Is it because my media file? What is it? Where's my PC genius? Two smoke folks. What am I doing wrong, bro? Why can't I hear the music today? I don't get it. Like none of the settings is different. Stream track, audio tracks, sample size, everything's the same. I don't know what I did. I didn't do it differently. You always measure from the body. When you do aggressive type 3, do you always measure from the body opposed to the end of the candle for the entry? I did measure from the end of the candle. At that point, at that time, there wasn't really like a big bottom wick, so I did measure from the bottom wick. There wasn't a big one, but that's what I measured from. Then if maybe you didn't see so lacquer, but that's not from the body, it is from the bottom wick. Because remember, the guys, these the wicks of the candles act as support and resistance, so it is something that you always need to pay attention to, right? Like, for example, why aggressive entries like what I just took is also called aggressive is because you are taking the trade before it breaks the previous candle's low, so you don't have that confirmation that is now breaking the low and it can drive further. So that's the confirmation that you don't have. You're missing that one, which makes the trade more aggressive, which then also says that why it's aggressive is because you don't have that, like, that final confluence there. Well, one of the final confluences, which is obviously the break of the lows and then the break of the previous candlestick's low. So that's why, like, you can see, like, now possible rejection, possible stall, stuff like that. But for me personally, if I lose a trade, it's going to be because of this level here. This would be the level. I don't think that's going to be the level that's going to make the trade turn around per se, but that could be. So yeah, because your entries are pretty much entries that we anticipate the move before confirmation. 100%, yeah. So you have enough confluences to take the position. So the flip of the candle is just you anticipating that price has now grabbed liquidity, price can now drive further. You with me? So not only was it aggressive zone, it was also aggressive entry. So if I win, if I win or lose, it'll still be a grade 1 or 2 because it's still part of strategy. It's just the application to it is just a bit more aggressive, which still has a very high strike rate. I can't. So I'm just my main mission right now. I know we're in a trade, but my mission right now is just to get some music in my head. This is why the stream feels so empty without music, even if it's elevator music. I really don't know what I did. Guys, I'm just gonna flip over to starting stream cutscene. I just want to see something. I'll be like a second, you won't miss me. So you can still hear me. I just want to see if it's maybe. It's not that. Okay, it's not that. Check the audio mixer on Streamlab. But the audio mixer says it's playing music. That's what I don't get. And if I go to properties and I can change my... Yeah, I control it with the audio mixer. I fixed it. Thanks, Samuel. We fixed it. I can hear music. Damn, have you guys been listening to this boring music the whole time? That's wild. Computer guy is internet guy. I'm so sorry for the music, guys, but you know how it goes on YouTube. These guys will copyright the shit out of you anytime. Just smack your headset. This isn't an old TV. Mark Play, what's up? Who won the last Wordle? Mechanic. I never ever thought I'd miss PC elevator music like this. Okay, let's see what's happening regarding... Okay, look, so there is resistance that is formed below that area. That is nice to see. We just need to see ourselves break the 5-minute floor. Once we do that, we should rock and roll. That's about 4 pips away. So we're going to be 4 pips ahead of the game. So that's why I also wanted to just get in a bit earlier, so that I knew that if I get involved in the position and it does reject off of here, my stop loss is a bit higher for just price to be able to have more area to play in. Because I personally feel like it's gonna drop. Go to the bathroom? Nah, I don't need the bathroom. I think Uncle Rob said that same thing last week. As soon as I go to the bathroom, then Trey starts going our way. Where's Jason? Is Jason able? Jason, are you in YouTube or Zoom? Where are you? Not in Zoom. Where's Jason? Guys, help me find Jason. Taking Jason. Okay, we've broken the floor now, guys. We should press to TP1. Dispatch could be out of there. Pushing to that TP1. Let's see if we can do it. TP1, I will go to break even and secure partials of the position, and let the rest run. Alright. Let's see this one, boys. Let's see this one. Let's see what's the outcome of this. Do we continue the win streak? Does it add another W to our stream? What's up? Come on, GJ, push for me. Very close to TP. That must have been like 8 pips in profit right there. Yeah, about 8.5 pips in profit. Nothing for me to secure yet, but let's see. Look at this point. I'm not gonna lose 30 pips. So more than likely, if it rejects off of this, comes back to my entry point, breaks my high, I'll probably close the position there. And what is that? 13 pips loss? Probably. I'll probably do that. That's how I'll manage the position right now. Because I do see that we're coming into this area of liquidity and we are struggling a little bit. So my understanding would be that if it's going to reject that area and break its own high again, that's not the best thing that you want to see. Was that the 15 close? 15 close? Okay. 15 close, I'm going to anticipate a pullback. Once price pulls back, it should then rock and roll to the downside. That was my pullback. Is that enough for a TP1? Come on, baby girl, let's go. Come on, GJ. Can you do it for me? Okay, you know what, guys? I'm going to break even on this position because there's little to no top wick. There is a top wick, not that large though, so if price is going to break its top wick and start pushing back up, I'm not going to be going to draw down with this trade because there's liquidity on the left hand side. But you know what? We don't need to. TP1 hit. Bam! Again and again. Another one. DJ Khaled, another one. Another banger caught live on stream. Can I get some fucking W's in the chat, boys? Again and again. This is actually, I feel like when I post this shit on Instagram, people think I'm fucking scamming. Because every time I'm just posting wins, but I can't help it. Another dub caught live on YouTube. With everybody in the stream and the MFX members. This is wild. That's win number 23 in a row. GG's, it's 9 o'clock. I'm done for the day. Dab on that shit. What? I genuinely feel like that, bro. Like when I post on my IG, people think I'm scamming. Because that's only wins, but it's not even me, bro. It's not me, it's the market. I can't help it that it keeps going in my favor. What did that other bra say last week that I'm guessing? I am guessing. I'm still watching how you doing it here. Mark Prince, what's up, my man? I haven't heard of you in a minute, bro. How you doing? How you doing, Mark? How you doing, Mark? I haven't actually. You must actually get in touch with me. Get in touch with me. Got your number. On Instagram, just text me on Instagram. MFX members in the Zoom, who got that? Possibly, bruh. Possibly, but you never know, eh? Damn. Damn. Again. Again and again. I don't even know what to say anymore, bro. What I do know what to say is losses do occur. So just because you're on a stupid win streak right now doesn't mean we can't lose. Losses do occur. It's fine and it's normal to lose. Trust me. Uncle Robbie, let's get it, man. Let's get it again. Come on, baby. Let's get that TP2. Can we get that TP2? Let's go. I didn't even need to break down gold today. Gold is smart good we didn't, eh? GJ was the number today, bro. Almost at TP2. That is what, like 0.5 of a pip away. There we go. That's TP2 for me, boys. Guys, I'm actually going to close out the full position. I'm done. $20 clapper. 20 smacks. GG's, bro. GG's, man. GG's. GG's. Another one, bro. Can I get W's in the chat for that shit? Nobody does it better. MFX way, bro. I'm telling you, the MFX way is a whole different way. What you learn in the course, the mentorship level up, it's a whole different ball game. It's a whole different ball game. Anthony Tony, what's up? I have to download Instagram. Yeah, for sure. Connect, bro. What's up? I haven't heard from you in a hot minute. I hope you've been well, though, my G. Let's go. Uncle Conrad? What's up? Lekker, man. So, let me just journal that because that is my trade done, boys. GG's, man. Oh, this is awesome, boys. And she's still going. I don't know if anybody's still holding, but I mean, if you're holding, it might just hit that final TP of what? What's that? 32 pips. Uncle Conrad, I think you must join the MFX group. I think you and Uncle Robbie would be top chomies. You still holding? Nice, Charles. Nice. Let me just journal this quickly, boys. What is the date today? The 22nd. 22nd, 04. Final week, boys. Final week of April. Let's see what's cooking. So far, it's looking good. Final week of April. GJ London longs. Time. No. 09. 0903. It's not too long. The trade wasn't that long, boys. But called like a 15-minute trade, not too shabby. Guys, any questions, do let me know. This will obviously be an early stream for us today because we're done, right? 20 bangers again. Type 3. Oh, I actually wanted to ask you guys. Yes, Uncle Conrad, please drop a like and subscribe. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you like what you see, please do drop a like on the stream and subscribe to the channel. Road to 500 subs. Almost there. And that, I think, that's our 23rd win in a row. 23rd win in a row. 16th win for the month. 100% win rate for April. And our 43rd win for the year. 43 wins and 6 losses for the whole year. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't know what to tell you. It's everything. The proof is in the results. I don't need to say much. The proof is in what you see on stream and my students' results, actually. But that's pretty much. Shout out to Instagram so I can add you, bro. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys. So it's in the description over there. So guys, obviously we do this every single day. Monday to Thursday we live stream for YouTube, and then Friday sessions is for the MFX private group. So this is the following plugs right here. So 15 likes but 40 people watching. That is terrible. That is terrible. Guys, run up those likes. This is the mentorship program. If you want to learn and trade the way I do, if you want to come under my mentorship, there's your link right there. If you want to use the broker that I use, there's your link right there. And if you want the business Instagram page, there is your link right there. Road to 500 subs. Let's get it. YouTube, let's get these likes up. Let's get it. I think I'm going to withhold my trades before I tell you guys what I'm doing. Like, maybe you guys need to hit like 20 to 25 likes before I share my trade. It's just to help the stream, guys. The more likes we get, the more the algorithm sees that, the more we get put onto, you know what I mean, algorithm vibes. Which means more subs, which means the page grows. We can't eat alone here. We just can't eat alone, right? 40 people, it's not enough. We need to feed the world. We need to teach the world, to teach the masses. So share the page to your auntie, your uncle, whoever. Share the page, bro. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions regarding the trade, let me know. I see the pippers and dippers have left. Cheers, have a good one. We can come back tomorrow for another trade. But yeah, man. Shot for all the reposts, Jordan. I really appreciate it. Jordan is like my #1 reposter. I think there's something coming his way. Oh, this man is just killing these trades, bro. I don't know what to do with you guys right now. Trade is hit, bro. It's like 20 past 9. So honestly, like, that's a day for me. That's a day. I think I'll spend like another 30 minutes with you guys. If you have any questions, if you have, we'll do the wordle and then I'm gonna call it. It's going to be an early stream by that because the trade is done. I mean, you're done trading, you can go about the rest of your life. Tomorrow, you just come back, you do the same thing. Oh yeah, Mensa. Uncle Robs, that should be. Oh wait, I was gonna mute. Let's look at gold and trade. Yeah, for sure we can have a look, Alvin. Do. Anybody still holding runners, you might get that final TP of 32. I've obviously closed a full position at 20. But for those that is... Look, for those that is holding, I'm not telling you what to do, but this is like your area where you can start closing off. You're in your liquidity zone, so you could start rejecting here. So if you've got to 31 pips, don't not close off your position because you're hungry for one more pip. You with me? You're in the liquidity zone, so anything can happen in the liquidity zone. But for those that caught the trade, well done. For those that learned from the trade, even more so, well done, because that's the main thing. That you learn from it and you can do it on your own. MFX members, that was a textbook type 3. We got our confirmations on our 30-minute and our 15-minute. We then saw our pullback resistance forming, and at the flip of that 50 and 30 we then got involved in anticipation that we could run it down. And spot on. Like, if okay, I'll definitely clip that because that's textbook, boys. I'll definitely have to clip it because that is textbook. That is probably as perfect as you will get it regarding the actual candlesticks, the play, all of those things. If you remember, just do yourself a favor, go rewind the stream, look at the candles I drew. It's exactly the same as what happened. That's wild. Spot on. Spot on. Guys, I'm just gonna do a gold markout. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm done. I'm gonna do a gold markout for you guys, and then a wordle, and then I'm done. Do I even want to do a gold markout? Hogan-san, I got you, my G. Don't think I've seen your name before, so while you're here, sub to the channel, drop that like button. Guys, if I say I haven't seen your name before, it's just because you haven't commented before. Well, I haven't seen your comment. I can't see who's watching at the moment, so for all I know, Jacob Zuma could be watching, I wouldn't know. Alright. What's happening on gold? Okay, you guys ready? Quick little gold breakdown. Bassam Yasin, I've definitely seen your name before. What's happening, cuz? Actually, it's my first time. Actually, my first time watching, and I recognize your language. You're definitely South African. Yes, I am, boy. Well spotted on that. Guys, I think on GJ, that's... You've hit everything. Fucking killed it, bro. Killed it. So, everybody should be out of their position. It's another winning trade for us. Not Zuma. Nah, I think Zuma can funk tips, bro. God bless you guys. God bless you too, my brother. Yeah, so I'm done with GJ. Everybody should be done. I'm just gonna break down gold. Guys, it's gonna be an early day for me. I'm gonna break down gold, wordle, and then we can move. So let's get into gold. I come back. What's up? Don't bring that part out of me. I'm in recovery. What? Jordy's not trolling me again, bro. I had been there in 2001. Oh, so you're not from South Africa? 2001. A lot has changed since 2001. Look up if you're not from South Africa. Oh, okay, not. Look up load shedding. Maybe you'll be shocked to find out what that is. Somalia. I don't have time for showering blindfolds ads up as it. Yo. Friday I had the best Boerewors rolls. I won't even lie. I had the best Boerewors rolls, bro. Jason hooked us up with a gang braai. You live in Sweden? Hectic. Yeah, check up water restrictions, check up load shedding. You'll definitely want to come back for that. Man, I've been watching so many traders. You are the best so far. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Maji. I appreciate that. Oh, sorry. Simeon was the Bribe Master on Friday. I think Simeon, but I don't know if it was Simeon or was it the Lions. I don't know who was. I don't know who was the master there, but hey, we had a lekker show on Friday. Team effort, yeah, with everybody's torchlights. Okay, looking at gold, it seems to be that there is no top wick within this candle right now, right? However, because we're in the range, I'm kind of not too phased. I won't say I'll use it as a confluence because it already went and broke yesterday or Friday's low. So for me, it's not really such a big deal that there's no top wick, because if you back test, you'll find that there's many a times that price doesn't have to make a top wick on the daily. 99% of the time it's going to make a top wick, but for that one time where it doesn't and it's within a range and it's broken all the other candles lows, it's fine. So why does gold look the same as GJ, right? Because they're both in a range. So this is my 4-hour zone, so it's gonna be area 1. Area 2, and then I can add 2 areas here, but I think I'm fine with just this for now. Obviously, you have another area there, okay? Now, if you look at market sentiment overall on gold, you are creating higher highs and higher lows within structure, right? So as price continues creating high highs and higher lows, we anticipate more volume to come. So obviously, your overall outlook on gold is going to be bullish. However, price has now come down to the QP level of 2350 for price to gauge upon more liquidity to obviously possibly drive up, right? So what I'm going to do is mark out the current current 4-hourly high as a 4-hour flip area, because my idea would be that as price now tapped and grabbed liquidity of 2360, 2357 around there, if it breaks its high of 2367, there's a high probability that it could drive up, because if you look to the left hand side, there is liquidity areas over here. So you got test area 1 over there. So this is technically, well, if I go down to the lower time frame, it's more than likely going to be a resistance area, right? Let me just double check that before I just say that. It is. Okay, spot on, Miles. So if it flips that 4-hour high, I'm going to anticipate that price can come back to the QP highs. Okay, that will be the idea there. Remember that something you guys got to remember, that even though price pushes a certain area for a long time consistently, does not mean that it's time for price to reverse or you should be shorting now. That should never be your mindset in anticipation for a different outcome. So you just got to keep your how can I say, your structure in play at all time, because that is the most important thing. So even though price has been selling off, it doesn't mean it was sell time for us. And where price is right now, as you can see, without me visually drawing a trend line, let me rather do that, because we don't trade trend lines as bullshit. Price is more than likely going to push to the upside, now testing a consecutive higher low for price to drive to the upside. So what I want to do from this point is start getting to my lower time frame and understanding that in order for me to see some bullish momentum, which is going to be after these areas, I would like price to start popping up. Now, I don't want to get in the buys as early as that. I'd more so rather see price test that area, form a resistance, then get involved. Why? Because I want to be in the market when price is doing this. I want to be in the market when price is doing this. So that, in opposed to forming that first leg. Because my thing is, when price is forming that first leg, it's not really a confluence that you can use to say that, okay, we're now driving up, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, let price continue to ascend. You can't do that. You can only really get involved over there. So if I use this as an example, now forget about the area that I'm doing, I just want to show you the price action, okay? So it's very difficult for you to buy there, because what confluence are you actually using, in opposed to price retesting the level, rejecting the level, then closing above? Because then you have price forming resistance at a previous support area, then breaking above, holding that as support area, for price to essentially then continue its further momentum, right? Because essentially that is what price is going to do. It's going to do that, okay? So in order for me to get into position, I'm not going to take it there, which is there. I'm going to wait for price to tap into the level, form a resistance, reject possibly, because it needs to be resistance, then break above, and that's where my move will be. So essentially, what I want to do there is going to be mimicked from the previous. That is actually a very nice example that I just found without me even having to look for it. So, where's my tool? My bar? Yeah, bars pattern. So this is what you want, okay? This is exactly what you want. You want price driving, grabbing liquidity, popping back up to form resistance, rejecting, and then getting up. Okay? Which obviously you can see that means there's no trade for you right now. Okay? But it makes a lot of sense for you to be patient enough to wait for price to do this. Okay? Once price then does that, then you can get involved. But right now, you just have to wait, buds. You have to wait for your resistance to form, and when price starts looking like this, then you can get involved. Okay? So this is going to be my idea for gold. If anybody is looking to continue trade, I'm overall bullish on the position. This for me is going to be a type 3 play from these lows. So here you'll have aggressive buys, but just because I'm putting aggressive buys, let me rather put it here, because I feel like someone's gonna... I know how people are on YouTube. So you want a resistance, as a form of resistance, closure above, then you can look to long the position. If you are buying from this lows, I don't know what you're doing, my man. But if that is your strategy, to buy from the lows somehow, somewhere, some place, GG, man, GG. But you want to see the resistance form, and even though you're seeing the resistance form, you're also then using the idea that as that 4-hour flips, which closes in an hour and 15 minutes, so you got time. And even if the case is that you don't use the 4-hour flip, you'll still have the 30-minute idea, right? With anticipation that it can continue to drive up to QP. Gee whiz, the area is about 72 pips, so it's a relatively large area, which is nice to see. Yeah, let's add this. Guys are so quick to say, Miles, take the trades taken down the next day, man. Julle vat julle eie tyd om te sê that put it back up, bro. They don't want to see you win. I don't know, whenever I win, bro, I feel like DJ Khaled just plays in my head the whole time. So this is what you want to see on gold. If gold does decide to fall for the rest of the day, you need a support. So I think, to be honest with you, you'll probably only get positions below there. The safe area. Okay? Yeah. So for me, yeah, I think for me it's the buys on gold today, bro. The buys on gold today, that's going to be the idea for me. The rejection off of this area for price to continue driving. Why is it? To the highs, I think that will be the play today. Guys, any questions, let me know. But obviously, I'm not going to be here holding your hand when you take execution. That's why it's nice to be one of the MFX members. They can send me a message. GJ's on some madness today. But yeah, boys, I'm seeing some longs on gold. Not right now. Wait for it. But yeah, that's for anybody that wants to take some short longs on gold. for me, and should be all of you guys. Yeah, boys, it's today GJ was my wife. I got two girlfriends, GJ and Gold, and one of them gave in today, and that was GJ. Perfect, absolutely stunning. She is still driving, but for me, I'm happy with the position. I'm done, guys. I'm done for the day. Any questions you do have, let me know. I'm gonna do a wordle with you guys. Charles, Mark, Uncle Rob, pull up. We know this part I'm not that great in. I'm here for the trading. I provide the trades, you guys provide the entertainment. And the wordle woordkies. Okay, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anybody with the 5 letter word? Hey Mal, yeah, let me know. Hey Miles, GJ is basically filling the 4. Okay, I can't see it because of that heart there. Just send it out. Someone send another message. I can't see it. Hey Miles, GJ is basically filling the 4-hour week from last week. 4-hour week from last week? Yeah. To be honest with you, I would only say that if we close below the current daily low. With price now closing below the current daily low, then we can say that, because then we're going to get another setup. 2030 MFX crew at FX Summit. Let's make it. Let's make it a goal. Let's make it a goal. We had to take over, bro. But yeah, I won't say that yet, coach. You say coach. Yeah, I won't say that yet. I'll wait for price to close below, give a resistance. So something like this. So something like that. Something like that. A stall, a resistance, a break of the support. Yeah, they're good to go. But for now, I can't really say that. Apologies if I slap Lambo there, but I'll make it quick. Fuck it, bro. That's if that nigga's still relevant by that time. Okay, guys, Wordle. Let's get to Wordle. Wordle. Time to free the mind. We done. Close your trading journals and whatever the case may be. Yeah. Open COD. Bruv. Put a 1 in the chat. 41 people. Put a 1 in the chat if you play COD. Let me know. Bones. Great. Okay, let me just go up here. Bro, this is the same shit as TFT, bro. TFT. It's doing the same shit, Maji. Mark and Kate, julle is kakboring. Charles, God mobile. I'm actually good. Okay. This guy. 1v1 2 smoke, folks. Kom so many was net slim calling all the God Owens. As I do, I just play COD to troll. I think that's the look for me personally. COD brings out a different rage. I can't even explain to you. After 5. Yeah, the first word for me is going to be trade, obviously. Okay, so in the word, it has R, it has A, and it has E. It's just in the wrong place. Charles says real. Okay, reals. I'm so scared to click this enter button because whenever Charles says a word, it like ends the thing so quickly. Let's see. And next is Uncle Rob's with laser. Okay, let's see Charles. He has all the letters just in the wrong word. I'm gonna do laser. Oh shit, I think Uncle Rob's might be right. This could be Uncle Rob's dub. Again, who won the last one before I press enter? Nah, Uncle Rob's is AI. I think so as well. So Uncle Rob's in the MFX chat said laser. I'm pretty sure it's going to be that. So I'm gonna press enter. It's gonna be the end of it. Damn, Uncle Rob is killing this shit. Uncle Rob's again. Who won the last one? W in the chat for Uncle Rob's. Let's get W Robocop in the chat. Well done, boys. Again, we haven't. Well, not me, because I'm obviously not doing the Wordle. But we haven't lost it. We haven't lost it. Charles on the last. Okay. I think Mark got Thursday, and then you were Friday, huh? Those who have got mobile and beat DJ Dr. Cracked. What gamer tag name is that? Must see my friend's gamer tags. You guys will be shocked, bro. Especially that Desi must see his gamer tag. That's absolutely wild. Because I feel like the person you are in life and the person you are on a game, it's different. It's totally different. Because I know COD brings a whole different miles out of me. Give yours. Mine's simple. Miles VW. My gamer tag is what I need. We all have a past. For scuba. User not found. You must add XX. Miles VW XX. Okay guys, this has been probably one of our shortest streams. It's just an early trade, boys. Got an early trade. It is Miles VW XX. Maybe I'll stream COD. Not today, but sometime in the stream live. Maybe I'll stream COD. How about that? Oh yeah, what were we speaking about, Bri? Yeah, Jordan, we got some, when you pull up to P, we got some Buddha that I was waiting for you. Don't let Simeon make the chicken though, he'll burn it. And don't let Darren make the pork. Pull up. MFX members Telegram Warzone session. Bro, I'm in. Drop your gamer tag on the MFX chat. Can I do the garlic bread? That's not really that hard, eh? I'll bring some spa deli meat. What? When are you guys coming to Sri Lanka? How is it that side? That's a great idea, guys. I'm gonna do a MFX COD team building. I'll drop mine if you drop yours. That does not sound appropriate for stream. I'll bring Lion. Nah, Simeon's gonna get that. I think this is a withdrawal week for Simeon as well, so he's getting paid off these charts. So everything's on him the weekend. He'll be different. Look, I can stream it on Discord. I can stream COD on Discord. I won't do it on YouTube. I feel like my viewers will be like, what the fuck are you doing? Calvin, what time is it in America? I think it's like crazy time. Create a Twitch. Nah, I can't be a game streamer. It's not my thing. The language barrier is different, bro. If you know what I mean. They'll ban me. They'll ban my friends that I play with, especially Dazzy. They'll ban that, but at the same time. Do a games night on Discord? Yeah. MFX members only. COD only. 4 AM. I'm banned on. I've been banned before. Yeah, Xbox has banned me before. But that's because I was so nice to the people. I think you're already banned from game chat for the week. Ooh, Darren. Maybe. Possibly. Yes, I swear in Afrikaans. They still pick it up though. How does one become a MFX member? I was trying to think of something funny, but it just wasn't coming fast enough. Because I feel like it would have been too wild for YouTube. But yeah, it's simple as just joining the membership group. I feel like Calvin threatens families when he goes out in the gulag. Oh, you guys are wild. Coach Carter, this is what I was speaking about. So we couldn't anticipate that 4-hour continuation just because we needed price to act below the area. Once it acts below the area, then it's fine. You didn't get your close yet. But yeah, MFX members in the Zoom, you guys fine? Any questions? Are you good? I think I'm... Guys, I think that's my cue, eh? I think that's my cue. That's my cue. I think it's been a long day in the office, boys. It's been a long day in the office. I want to leave the office before my boss gets here. Just to make sure that I've done all the work for him. So I think I'm gonna call this session. If you don't have any questions, I would just like to say shot for joining the stream today, guys. If you haven't subbed to the channel, aren't I the boss? No, I'm not the boss. Rashid is the boss. Yeah, if you haven't subbed to the channel, do drop a sub on the channel. Like the stream if you haven't already. Let me just quickly go and check there. Nah, man, what must you do for the rest of the day now? What must I do? Must I sit here and entertain you people? I'm here for one thing, and that's to make money, bro. Okay, we got, what, 6 subs in that stream? Not too shabby. Not too shabby, Nige. God, bro. I got a message on Telegram. Are you guys sending me your... Oh, this guy is serious. These guys are serious. These guys are serious. They want to play, Are you playing on... Wait, do you play on PC, Calvin? Mom Fapicus. It's just wild in the names. Oh, this guy plays ranked. I will be a liability to your team, so I don't know if we should play together, because I will definitely be a liability. MFX members, send your gamer tags to Telegram. Let's clap a session quickly, and then if those wanna watch, I'll stream it on Discord. I'll give you a Discord link and I'll stream it there for you guys. MFX members though, not really, but you can, bro. I feel like I'll be a liability, my G. But we'll see. Let's jump on it. See. I don't know what server latency there might be. Just because I'm in South Africa, so we're not gonna play on the same server. But I don't know. I actually don't know. I've never played from someone from America. For some reason, we've been getting some French Owens. That has been the past week. It's just French guys. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna love and leave you. My job here is done. For those who want to join The link is there in the chat. The link is in the bio, well, in the description as well. If you want to level up your trading, you guys can see it here live how we do it. But yeah, man, guys, shout out for joining the stream today. Drop a like, drop a sub, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, 8:30 GMT +2. MFX members, you know what to do on the Telegram. I'll see you guys shortly. Okay. Peace, boys. Have a lekker day. Yeah, see you later. Cheers, boys. Cheers. Great session. Another dub. The win streak continues. Mad. Let's get it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. GG's.